from our batch got featured online from graduating from cum laude.
She's amazing, right?
Amazing? Come on, Elena. That doesn't mean much. Some people just know how to play the system.
It is not just about grade, Ashley. But yeah, how about the rest of us who worked hard and didn't get better?
Does it always to be about recognition? Maybe success is different for everyone.
Still, it's tough not to feel left behind by the same other achievement.
Maybe, but we're still doing our best.
I don't get it. Why people put so much value on medals? It's just a title.
Yeah, but try to explain that to the parents or employers. They don't see the effort, just the result.
But we can define success for ourselves. It's not always about others see.
But does effort even matter if no one notices?
Of course, last way. Think about how far you have come or how we have come. That's the word of celebrating.
I may not have a medal, but I've done things that matter to my family and my friends.
For me, isn't about medals. It's about not giving up, even when no one's watching.
For me, it's about making a difference, even in small ways.
Sometimes, success is just getting back up after failing.
You know, guys, maybe success isn't about what others think. It is about what makes us proud of ourselves.
Exactly. We each have our own definition of success.
Just because it looks different doesn't mean it's less meaningful.
Maybe I've been too harsh, but we are all successful in our own ways.
And it's nice to be reminded of that.
Anyway, goodbye, guys. I have to do something.
Okay, bye. The story or script offers a compelling exploration of success through the lens of symbolic interactionisms, focusing on how personal experiences and social interactions shape individual and collective understandings. Each character enters the conversation with their own interpretation of what success means. Elena sees it as external recognition. Ashley challenges its value by questioning the system that defined it. Casey reframes it as a deeply personal journey. Mary reflects on resilience in the face of failure, and May restless with the feeling of being unnoticed despite her efforts. These differing perspectives stem from their unique social context and life experiences, demonstrating that success is not an absolute concept, but one that gains meaning through interaction and interpretation. As the girl converse, their shared reflections serve as a space for negotiating and reconstructing these meanings. Initially, there are tensions. Ashley's cynicism contrasts sharply with Elena's administration, while May's insecurities reveal the emotion weight tied to societal expectation. However, the dialogue fosters mutual understanding and emotional resonance. Each girl's personal story in the flashbacks, ranging from small yet significant acts like helping siblings to finding resilience after rejection, demonstrate how their life experiences inform their values and self-perceptions. By the end of the conversation, the group reached a collective realization that success cannot be defined universally but instead varies with individual experiences and aspirations.